Hey there, Pulte fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are showcasing the contour floor plan by Pulte Homes. This is part of their line of homes that you can find here at Verdana Village in Estero, Florida. The contour is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square foot home, and Pulte is a semi-custom builder, so they have some structural options that you could use to customize this home to best fit your needs. Let's walk inside this home and take a look. It's set up very much like a villa home, a side-by-side villa, but you get the added benefit of this being a standalone property. So when you come in your almost side entry here, right here at the front, you've got a coat closet. That's where your air conditioning is stored, and also that's your entry to your garage. But directly to the right is going to be this flex room space here, shown as a study. And then directly across from this, you've got the guest bathroom here and the guest bedroom. And then this opens up into your kitchen space here. So beautiful kitchen overlooking your dining space here, as well as your living room space. And last but not least, on the interior here, we've got the master bedroom. Really nice size master here. And beautifully laid out master bathroom with the dual sinks, the standalone shower. You've got the enclosed water closet right here. And then you've got a really nice size walk-in closet here. And just outside of the master bedroom is your laundry space. So very convenient access right to the laundry room here. And then the last portion of this home is right past the living room space here is the exterior living. You've got a really nice size lanai under truss out here. Really nice size lanai, plenty of outdoor living space. So folks, if you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. We'll be happy to help you find your piece of paradise down here in Florida. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.